Yeah, 146.
You ready to give it a try?
For land, 13012.
I'm still going to be on here with you.
All right.
146 Echo, cleared to land on 25.
Try to give it over to you.
All right.
Bring it back. No, bring it back towards you, to the left. Remember, you're going to have to keep a little bit of left pressure on there at all times.
Ready.
Else it's going to slide to the right.
Turn left south, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Put left pressure on.
Turn south,
On the
clear for
pedal.
takeoff,
On the cyclic.
On the second.
Give me
All
Jetty
right.
71, continue runway heading, contact Atlanta departure.
I'm going to bring us back towards the center.
All right.
Alright, I'll slowly give the cyclic over to you.
All right.
And the gentle back.
We are climbing. Not good.
Alright, got it again. Alright, just smooth movements. Try not to do a whole lot of back and forth.
Okay.
Try not to do this kind of stuff.
All right.
Alright?
Yes.
Try not to overthink it too much.
All right.
Be able to just hold it kind of right there for the most part. Just relax. Relax. Remember, it says less is more. You don't have to sit there and move it too much. Okay, if you feel what I'm doing. Okay, see how little it's actually moving?
Yeah.
I'm not having to do a whole bunch of.
Yeah.
Okay. Just very smooth, kind of a fluid type movement.
Ready for departure.
66412 whiskey, going to turn hold shorter runway 25.
You ready?
Against out of a mile.
Yeah, you got it.
Roger, hold short 25, 6412 whiskey.
Yeah, see, there you go. As soon as you take it, you want to put something in, right?
Yeah.
Don't. Try to fight that need to do that. Okay, you should just be able to rest your wrist on your leg there. It's just very small movements, and then allow the aircraft to react to the input you just put in. Otherwise, there's going to be a slight delay in how it reacts. There you go. Feel that?
Check.
A little bit of aft.
Wind 27014.
Allow the aircraft to react. Let it settle down.
Oh, I'm all over the place.
All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna break it down, and I want you to kind of just focus on the pedals.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna take the cyclic from you, so you don't. You're not focused on it.
671 Tango Tango, did you say 12 southeast?
Back into the wind here.
1 Tango Tango, just south of water there.
And I want you to have control of the pedals.
Alright.
I've got control of everything else.
3 mile left base.
And just keep our nose pointed. Just keep your eyes out in the distance. Point our nose kind of right at that big white hangar over there, with the Gwinnett Arrow sign on it.
Cessna 46 Echo, taxi to Air Harbor, monitor ground 20.
146 Echo,
Get used to those. Take some time to get used to those pedals a little bit.
Cherokee 12 Whiskey, Gwinnett Air, proceed on course west, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff on runway 25, proceed on course 6412 whiskey.
Oh.
Left pedal.
Okay, sorry.
There you go.
Gwinnett Tower, Cap 939 with Papa, 9 miles, to the east of the field, inbound for full stop.
Flight 939, you at 2,900?
Roger that, 2,900.
Flight 939, roger, maneuver over, report a 5 miles straight in, final for runway 25.
5 miles straight in for runway 25, Gwinnett Tower.
And 1 Tango Tango, need you bring it more direct to the numbers. We've got Cessna traffic to your right wing there, about 2 miles, 2,900 I'm trying to put you in front of.
Roger, thank you. We have this traffic inside, by the way. So 1 Tango Tango.
1 Tango Tango, roger, bring it straight to the numbers for me.
Roger.
All right, whenever you're ready, let's do a left turn, 90 degrees.
Just about off your left wing, 2 to 3 miles, 2,400, that is your traffic you'll be following.
Nice
Roger
and
that,
slow.
we're looking for the Archer traffic. No joy at this time, Cap 939.
There you go, that's good.
Gwinnett Tower, Skyhawk 1159 or Kilo is 10 miles to the southwest, inbound for full stop with Papa.
Left pedal.
500 kilo, went in there, 10 southwest of the fill at 4,100. Report the left downwind runway 25.
Report left downwind runway 25, 1159 or Kilo.
Gwinnett Tower, 7258, 25 make Alpha, hold short runway 25 and
left pedal in, there you go.
Take off.
A little bit more.
Diamond 257 Mike Alpha, going at tower, runway 25. Clear for takeoff, turn left on course southeast. Wind 30012.
Probably going to have a good bit of left pedal in there. Counteract the wind.
Down by Alpha.
Keep pushing. There you go.
So much.
Gwinnett Tower, Cap 939, still no joy on that traffic.
Got flight 929, roger, off your left front there,
You want me
between
to
10 and
go
11
that way?
position, 2,000 feet.
And we're just going to stay facing this way.
All right.
Gwinnett Tower, Archer 547 kilo, inbound the RNAV 25.
547 kilo, Gwinnett Tower, continue inbound.
Continuing inbound.
Got flight 939, if you can reduce speed a little bit, and the traffic's about 1.5 miles off your left front at 1,800.
Yeah, I've got him there, I'm trying to...
Raise the planes.
Yeah, I've got him, the inbound traffic, I'm reducing speed.
Got flight 939, roger, a couple S-turns if you need them, and you're number 2 for the runway, clear to land number 2.
Roger that. We're doing a couple left turns here to the left and right.
1 Tango Tango, keep speed up. Traffic trying to follow you, and you're clear to land runway 25. Winds 29014.
Both speed up and clear in 25. 1 Tango Tango.
Gwinnett Tower Helicopter 442 Mike Whiskey.
Got 442 Mike Whiskey, Gwinnett Tower.
Helicopter 442 Mike Whiskey, information Papa North, ramp VFR northbound.
Got 442 Mike Whiskey, Gwinnett Tower, roger. Proceed out to the intersection of Zulu and Delta. For the intersection, clear for takeoff with a right turn to the north, and the wind's 29012.
Over to Zulu and Delta, then cleared for takeoff, right turn northbound, helicopter 442 Mike Whiskey.
Cap flight 9390, are cleared to land.